just wanted to ask Mr. McBride, because I think he told us just now to say Mandla, I think is it Mandla Mahlangu, was a friend to General Mkhwanazi. They used to go together to watch football games. And unfortunately, he was murdered. And General Mkhwanazi did not attend the funeral. And you mentioned another gentleman. You said General Mkhwanazi was the first one to be on the scene. Yeah, so what does that mean?
It's the same person.
For me, it's inconsistent with being a close friend to a person. You're on the scene when they're shot at and when they're murdered. You don't attend the funeral and you're supposed to be a close family member. So for me, it's inconsistent. So when you investigate anything, I was not investigating anymore. I was out of the criminal justice system. I noted, because it's critical, it should have been mentioned there. So it was understated. So in the same way, Chair, as some of the aspects of my CV were understated, similarly, General Mkhwanazi should be stating how well he knew Mandla Mahlangu, and that he was on the scene first on 2 occasions when Mandla was shot at, including the fatal one when Mandla was murdered. That's what that means, Honorable.
So hence I was asking that, are you saying that General Mkhwanazi has got something to do with that? Of him, that person being shot, of him not attending the funeral?
I would say it's inconsistent, like I said earlier. I don't know whether he had something to do with it or not. There is a trail that leads back to police, but he is under-mentioning of his involvement and closeness. And the fact that he was on the scene, for me, is inconsistent. It needs to be looked at.
So you did attend the funeral of Mahlangu?
Yes.
So
Sorry?
You did attend that?
Yes, I spoke at the funeral.
Okay, so General Mkhwanazi was not there?
He was not there. Mzwaki Mbuli was there also. And by the way, Mzwaki was also close to Cedric, because when I attended Cedric's mother's unveiling, Mzwaki Mbuli was there also in Kwamashu.
I think you are providing more details than is necessary. The honorable member was asking you about the shooting and the funeral.